Hey, Product Hunt. I'm Camphy, and I made Dark Habits. So a couple of years ago, I gave up drinking alcohol, and I used 0% Club to give it up. It was a Telegram bot, and I wanted to make something that set goals and track progress across multiple different types of habits. As I started breaking one habit, I wanted to get into more breaking habits and crushing. Jerry Seinfeld has this common thing. He says, don't break the chain. I wanted to create a streak tracker that was very easy to track, but I could also see it. So it wasn't just a Telegram bot that told me how many days. I wanted to see visually like that chain unbroken. I wanted to see a streak. So I created Chart Habits. What it is I can set any goals. I can set any number of goals from 1 to here. I have like a few options. I can set a goal of 14 days. I just want 2 weeks. I just need to get through 2 weeks of killing this vice, and usually that like gets inundated, internalized. When I go to track, every emoji that I set for a goal, so every goal can have a different emoji. So I can say something like, I don't want to go gambling. I don't want to gamble for 2 weeks, and I can set any of these emojis. I want to set sort of the emoji that like shows it. So here I got a slot machine here. I can then track, and all I have to do is one click. So I just have to come to this Google Sheet and click this once. And automatically, there's a script here that automatically says, great, and it tracks it. The day, it tracks all the data here, all my things that I've not done that day. I can see the past 2 weeks, if I've done them or not. And then I can see a streak here that I have 3 days of no alcohol. See, it says 4 days total, and it'll add that emoji once that day is done. I can also set this to green or blank. Green if I have done it, or yes if I have actually done it, or sorry, green if I have not done it, but yet blank if I have actually done that bad habit. I can also change this to an emoji to keep track visually which thing I'm doing or not doing. See, I can change this to slots, but it is alcohol, so I will change it back to a beer. Maybe your choice of alcohol is different, so you can change it to like a wine glass, and you can see, well, I have not drank wine for 3 days, or I have not drank beer for 3 days. Maybe cocktails is your thing. You have a whole set of emojis here that I've given sort of some keywords, some also just general like black or no if you want something more general. We use these character codes. This is in a Google Sheet, so I have a couple of cool things inside the Google Sheet to help you. Like these character codes help with this streak, like visuals. And when you track, there is an unedit script that uses Google Script to actually keep this data and timestamp it per day. So that's all done for you. This tracker is can be used in Google Sheet anywhere. You can access Google Sheet, so you can access it on your phone, you can access it on your laptop, anywhere you use a computer or have computer access. And I'm really excited that you could try Dark Habits and you can crush your vices in 2 weeks. It's January, baby. Let's kill these vices. At least one, right? Once you do one, you're going to get addicted, and you're going to addicted to this. Crushing habits is a good thing, and you want to do more, and that's where Dark Habits comes in. Hope you give it a shot. Bye.